Hello everybody, today we'll be looking at password cracking using Metasploit, and our victim machine would be Metasploited build 2, which we will start using VirtualBox, and all this thing we are doing on Kali Linux. Let's get started. The first step would be to open VirtualBox. So I am doing this on this terminal. This will open the VirtualBox and we'll start the machine. I'll minimize this. The second thing what we are going to do today is we are going to create sample username and password file. So for that, nano username 2.txt, enter, and I'll enter a list of username here: admin, user, guest, test, administrator, control X, control Y, exit. Similarly, we'll create a password file also. Wondering why I'm writing 1, 2, because I have tried many of the times of creating a file, and so I thought of changing the name. Of course, I can edit the previous file also, but then this. Enter, and I'll enter the password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second is password, the third is admin, the fourth one is let me in. This is a random list: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Q, W, E, R, T, Y. QWERTY, control X, control Y, enter. Right? Now what am I going to do? In the second terminal, we have VirtualBox opened, right? VirtualBox is in this. Here I'll also open MSF console. We'll wait for some time for it to open. I'll minimize it. Here we have the VirtualBox. What happened? It is blank. Okay. I'll again start the machine. I'll again start it. We'll wait for some time for it to turn on. Let's wait for it to turn on. Okay, it's still going to take some time. I'll minimize this and we'll try to find the location of the username and the password files which I've created. Alright. For that, the command would be find name password 2.txt. Did you notice we already had created some of the files and it was showing 2 greater than dev/null. Let's look for the password file. The same. Okay, what happened? Okay, this is what I have done wrong. Enter. We know that the file is in home cyber. Okay. Let's see what is it with the VirtualBox now. Yeah. msf admin if config to check the IP address. We have got the IP address here. I'll minimize this. I'll again open the terminal. We have the paths now, right? Now what are we going to do? We are going to use a SMB login module. Use AUXILIARY, sorry, we want a space here. Auxiliary scanner /smb /smb login. New Metasploit 6.4. The create session option within this module can open an interactive session. Alright. Set R host. We already have the R host 192.168.1.23. Enter. Then we have to set the username and password file. Set user file and then the path. So the path would be, I'll copy this, and as because we want it for username, so what will I do? I'll just paste it here and I'll change it from password to username. Oh, txt, this would be username. Username 2.txt. I'll copy this from here. I'll paste it here. Right? So my user file is set. Now the same thing I'll do with the password. Instead of user, I'll write pass. Instead of username, I'll write password. To remain same and enter. So we have got the user file and the password also. Now we'll run. What does this tell? This tells us that 0 credentials were successful, right? It's okay. This was the result we were expecting. Why? Because 0 cred successful login means that you have successfully authenticated to a target system without needing valid credentials, which can happen in certain scenarios like exploiting misconfigurations or vulnerabilities. Alright, now we'll be using some commands like enumerate user. For that, the command would be cat /etc/passwd. Enter. This lists the users on the target system. Oh, we have a lot of users here. Is it correct? Oh, the list is so big. I think we have a lot of users here. Now check for shares. Let's check for shares. For that, the command would be list smb share available. Okay, smb -l /target. Target IP is 192.168.1.23 -u and a percentage sign. Percent. Enter. Unknown command. Oh, smb client. CLIENT. Enter. This will list the smb shares available. For the host name, host name is cyber. Now we'll type IPA to show the network interfaces and the IPs. Then to check sudo privileges of the user, we'll type sudo -l. Enter. Sorry. Try again. Password, right? we have got the other details. Matching the default in the entries with the cyber on cyber. Alright. This will check sudo privileges for the user. I hope this is clear. See you in the next video. Bye.